Hi guys, welcome to Homemade Food. Thank you for stopping by today. Today we are going to cook delicious, aromatic, flavorful, healthy, budget-friendly, wallet-friendly, economical and nutritious carrot delight. For detailed recipe, please stay with us. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The ingredients we need are 1 kg carrots, 300 grams potatoes, 300 grams sweet peas, 1 medium-sized onion, 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon chopped ginger, 1 tablespoon chopped green chili, 2 whole green chilies, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1/2 teaspoon allspice powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, cilantro, chicken stock and cooking oil. Fry onion for 2 minutes in 1/4 cup oil on medium flame. Add 1 tablespoon chopped garlic and 1 tablespoon chopped ginger. Fry for a while. Add potatoes and carrots. Fry for 2 minutes on medium flame. Add sweet peas and fry for 2 minutes on medium flame. Add chopped green chili and whole green chilies. Fry for a while. It's time to season veggies. Add 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1/2 teaspoon allspice powder, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Fry for 2 minutes. Set flame medium to low and let vegetable cook in its own juices. If you find no liquid, add warm stock or warm water, 1/4 to 1/2 cup. Cover with lid and wait till vegetables become tender. As water dries up, fry for 1 to 2 minutes on medium flame. Turn off the flame and add chopped green chilies and cilantro. Cover with lid for 2 minutes. It's ready to serve now. Serve hot. Delicious, healthy, aromatic, flavorful, refreshing, easy, quick, instant, economical, budget-friendly and nutritious carrot delight is ready to serve now. Enjoy and share with your family, friends and people around you. We hope you will give it a try. Stay blessed and give us your feedback. We will see you in our next video. Take a good care of yourself and people around you. Thanks for watching.